If your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode and you want to get out of it without using a computer, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to exit recovery mode and get your iPhone working normally again without losing your data. All you gotta do is force restart your iPhone, and in many cases that will immediately take the device out of recovery mode. In order to do so, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button. Keep holding the side button or power button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can release the button and your iPhone will restart normally. Make sure that you need to perform these steps quickly and in the correct order. If you wait too long between button presses, the force restart may not work and the iPhone might stay in recovery mode. After the restart finishes, your iPhone should boot back to the lock screen and you can start using it normally again. If it still doesn't work, another thing you can try is charging your iPhone. Plug your iPhone into a charger and let it charge for about 20 minutes. Sometimes the device may have very low battery power, which can prevent it from restarting properly. After leaving it on charge for a while, the iPhone may reboot automatically or allow you to perform the force restart successfully. In most cases, one of these methods should help your iPhone exit recovery mode and boot back to the normal lock screen without deleting any of your data. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and troubleshooting guides. I'll see you in the next video.